Customer came in with a Porsche dealer quote of 5,000 and we fixed the car for under 1,000. Let me show you how. Come with me. So this vehicle here is equipped with the 12-volt lithium battery, and Porsche dealer, the only solution is to replace the battery. Unfortunately, once they go below a certain voltage, you cannot recharge these batteries, you have to replace them. But we have a way better solution. OEM fitment, you can convert it to a AGM conversion kit, where we change the kit, put the new AGM battery in there, and most importantly, we code it to the car so you don't get any dash lights on it, and it's like a OEM fitment but a lot cheaper.
You found some better place and I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you, yeah. Like the deserts miss, I miss you.
Now, a lot of people have this question. Can you switch from a lithium battery to AGM? Short answer, yes, you can. Only if it's done properly. You got to code it, you gotta look at the amp on it, and if it's done professionally, you don't have any issues. It's an OEM fix, and it's the best fix that you can do for this. You got to get this conversion done by a professional. If you don't code it properly, you don't program it properly to the car, you can have all sorts of charging issues, lights on the dash, and even down the road have some electrical issues with this. So it's very important. You have to get someone that knows what they're doing, and it's professionally installed. Guys, if you got a crazy quote of 5,000 from a dealer, don't just accept it. Come check us out. Message us directly if you know anybody that has this issue of this lithium that needs help or needs repairs done. We do specialize in all the higher end vehicles, the modern luxuries like Porsche, BMW, Audis, and Mercedes. So come check us out, and if you liked the video and if it helped you, follow us, subscribe, and we'll see you till next time.